They say the best time to start saving for retirement was 20 years ago, but they don't tell you what to do when life happened in between. If you're a Black woman over 50 and you feel the clock ticking, breathe. You're exactly where you need to be. I spent 30 years as a nurse, mastering the art of the save in the most stressful environments. I know what it means to care for everyone else while your own dreams wait in the wings. But now it's your turn. I've taken my 3 decades of medical experience and combined it with a decade in the insurance industry to create a different kind of recovery plan. Welcome to Black Women Retire Well. This isn't just about saving pennies. It's about a 10 to 15 year sprint to a six-figure retirement income. Here we talk about using insurance as a shield, building dividend income that pays for your lifestyle, and leveraging the strategies the wealthy use to catch up when time is lean. I'm prescribing a new future for us, one where luxury isn't just an aesthetic, it's our reality. Subscribe to join a community of women who are turning their later into greater. I'm your host, and it's time for you to retire well.